Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to take a look at Polkadot. We'll have a look at some price analysis, have a look at some potential areas that you could invest on this dip and some targets going forward and a little bit of a price prediction from me. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. Polkadot, which is ticker DOT, is currently ranked number 6 out of all cryptocurrencies. We have a maximum supply of just over 1 billion and 43 million, and in circulation it's 908.2 million tokens. If you look at the price today, the price is $26.55. We're 7% down on today's trading. It's not too bad, to be honest, considering we had quite a savage dump throughout the night. The market cap today is $24 billion and the 24-hour volume is $4.5 billion. If you're looking to get hold of some Polkadot and you have not already, I would recommend Binance. It's got most liquidity. Most people use Binance. I mean, if you are on other exchanges, and I suppose if you are in the US, then you can't use Binance. Potentially look at Binance US. But I do recommend Binance. If you're not on Binance, you'll find the link for that in the pinned comment and the description. We're on a lot of exchanges, all the big ones. If you look on the right hand side here, all high in confidence, so that's what we need. High confidence exchanges where we can be trusted to buy and sell our cryptocurrency. There's at least 100 pairs there. It does go into more, but Binance been having the bulk of the volume there. One key point I just want to take a look at is the all-time highs, and that was $30. We're 11% down from them all-time highs. So that is somewhere to aim at in the coming weeks. So that is just some of the key stats. We'll jump over to TradingView and do some price analysis and have a look at some potential predictions, because we do know what Polkadot has brought to the table. It has brought solving the issues of scalability that Ethereum currently has. So we got big things coming. I don't think it's an Ethereum killer, because Ethereum is absolutely massive, but I do think that we will pretty much regain some territory, and I think things are going to start looking good for Polkadot in the future. So I think now could be a great time to invest. So that's going to do it for the stats. We'll jump over and do some price analysis now. Here we have Polkadot versus Tether. This is the daily time frame on Binance. I will go through some price analysis on the USDT pair, then I will do some on the BTC pair. So stay tuned if you do not trade in USDT for starters. So as you can see, throughout the night, we did get quite a severe dump, really. That's nothing against Polkadot. If you just look at BTC, for example, we hit 49,744 and we dumped down to 45,500. And the entire market followed it. If you can see, we're still a bit red now. It was even worse last night. Some coins dropped around 20%, but that is nothing to worry about. That's just general market sentiment. If you look on my Twitter, I always put buy the dip whenever we're getting a big dip. So we need to remember that this is a bull market, and as much as things go up, they do need to retrace it sometimes. It is a healthy correction, you could say. So we did drop down. Let's just take a quick look at that in a price percentage. From them highs at $30, we dropped 23%, so that's quite a significant amount. But like I say, it's nothing to worry about. These are opportunities to buy in if you think you have missed the pump. So if you saw that you're showing to 30 and you think, I wanted him but I couldn't quite get him, then you could have placed some orders around here. I do not have any support and resistance levels in down here. You could say there's one there, so that is a daily resistance support level. If you look at this wick here, we actually rejected off that wick and then we bounced off that support. So that is, to me, a daily level. That's at $21. To be honest, unless the market turns a bit sour, I can't see us coming down there. I'm just seeing if we've got any more levels on this time frame. No, we've not. So we'll drop into a 4-hour. Let's have a look what's going on there. It'll look quite nasty. As you can see, we popped up and then we are starting to retrace. So let's just have a look at some potential buy zones using the Fibonacci. We've done quite a severe drop there. So if you use a fib, so we'll take this as the start of a move here, up to the top. we did a massive retracement all the way down to 78% retracement, but we have popped back up, and we've currently rejected off this 0.382 fib level, which is $27, and then we've used the 0.5 level as support. So this could be your buy zone, really. I mean, let's just get rid of that fib and drop right into the hourly time frame. Let's have a look at some potential buys here. This might be better. We're actually double topped here, so we might be potentially coming down. So we'll put a fib on from top to bottom. And if you're looking to buy, I always recommend a 382 fib level. So that could be a potential area to place some buy orders at $25 and 58 cents. That could be a nice area to buy. If we do retrace a little bit more, we also have $24.64. But depends how today goes. We do know that today is President's Day, so in the US the stock market is closed. It's also the Asian Lunar Year, so a lot of Asian markets are closed as well. So big investors are not on the stock market, so they could either pump or dump for crypto markets, depending on how we feel. So we may not get some orders filled, but it depends how the market goes in general. So that is some potential buy zones there, $25.58. The next target though, let's just drop back into 4 hour. We need to break a daily candle above the all-time high. So we'll just mark the all-time highs up there. Where's my horizontal wave? That is the all-time highs at $30.20. Just mark that up. ATH, that's his all-time highs. We do need to break above that. Once we do break above it, we can get rid of this fib. We can put a fib on from top to bottom. So let's have a look at this move here, to be honest. We'll go from here. So let's have a look at some fib extensions from here to here. So we can start looking at these levels next to target. So we have $32, $34 and $41. This is my major target. I think $50 this year is very, very possible. That is my price prediction for this year. I might be absolutely wrong, and it might absolutely blow it out of water, but I do believe that that is my prediction for this year. Let's have a look, just type that in. It's a nice round number, and I think that we're not even a million miles away from it. If you look at it as a price percentage from here, it's only 90%, and that's nothing. So I could be way off, and it could be plus $100. I was just looking at some predictions earlier on. If you look at this website here, this gives some predictions to what is this website now? Coinpedia. So Coinpedia gives some predictions here, and they say in December 2022 they do believe it'll be $50. I think it'll be more. Scrolling down, 2025, the start of 2022 will be a good phase for DOT to be priced above 80 or higher. In 2025, the prices are expected to rally close to $120 to $150, would bring DOT's price somewhere to $170 to $200 in December 25. So I don't think they're far outstretched. I mean, that's a long time away, 2025. I'm not sure how I can manage it. I think they're quite conservative. The chances of us going up to some levels, I think, are high in the future. We do know what crypto can do when it starts moving. So I'm going to have a nice conservative price prediction of $50 there. But we need to look at these levels here first. We've got $32 to target. If you're looking to accumulate, so sell and then buy back in, you could potentially have some sell orders at $32 and then look to buy back in around $30, and then the same for $34 and then buy back in at $32. But we could just get a savage candle up and it could blow everything out of the water. So that is just a bit of price analysis on my USDT pair and my price prediction for $50. Buying at 25. What is it? Sorry, down there. $25.58 that buying was there. So that is the USDT pair. If we just look at a BTC pair, just get rid of that there. This is some previous TA that is no longer invalid. Let's just drop into the daily time frame, see what's going on here. So that is the all-time highs in a BTC pair of 63,575 Satoshi. So that's the all-time highs. We're not a million miles off that, but we just need to have a look at some potential buy zones here. And we'll tell you what, we'll put the fib on. We'll use this as the start of the move here, up to the top. And we have pretty much lost this 382 level. We bounce back up, and then we are targeting this level here at the 236 level. If you're looking to buy, I would potentially place some orders here at 52,234 Satoshis. I think that could be a nice level to buy. If BTC does go in a run though, it does take it out on the Satoshi pair, so we could potentially fill some orders down at 45,260 Satoshis if the market does allow. I mean, you could even go right down to 4-hour time frame and have a look what's going on there. We've done quite a big retracement on the lower time frames. If you took that move from there to there, we wicked all the way down. We nearly did a full retracement and we popped back up now, but I think we can pretty much target these areas down here, to be honest. So that is some potential buy zones on the Satoshi pairs. First target though, breaking above the all-time highs at, what's that, sorry, 63,000 Satoshis. The next major target I'm going to put on 10,000 sats. I think that could be a nice level to target. But we just need to see how BTC does. The market is looking a little bit ropey at the minute, but it's nothing to worry about. It always happens in crypto. We get massive pumps of 10, 15, 20% retracements. Some of the tickers are turning green now, so the markets are looking quite well. What I will just finish off by looking at is the Polkadot market dominance. This is the entire crypto market, the dominance of Polkadot. It is rising. We've been up to 1.93%. If we can start to push up and gain 5% market dominance, the price of Polkadot will be out of this world. So let's just monitor that. If you have not seen that ticker before, then just go into onto TradingView and type in .d, if you know what I mean, and it will come up there. If you just click the plus sign there, click on index and type in dot, it should come up. There you can use, yeah, that one. The bottom one is that. So that's going to do it for today's analysis. That is some price analysis on USDT and the BTC pairings, and a prediction from me of $50 this year. Hopefully I'm wrong and it gets absolutely smashed out of the water. But once we do smash that price, we'll do some more price analysis. So that's going to do it. Thank you very much for watching today. If you do have any questions with regard to anything crypto related or any projects you'd like me to cover, jump into my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. You'll find that link in the pinned comment and the description. Please make sure you do smash that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.